Hi everyone, this is Bridget here. Today let's just do an old Anglo-Indian Christmas sweet, which is baby pink coconut sweet. Now I'll give you the recipe in the description. It's a very easy recipe to make. So here let's get started. So what you need is scraped coconut, sugar, essence, pink food color, and either butter or ghee. So you mix half a cup water with the sugar in a heavy bottom pan or a suitable utensil. Then you mix well and start heating on medium heat till the sugar melts. Once all the sugar melts, you add in your scraped coconut, your grated coconut. This you could buy ready-made as well. The fresh scraped coconut. Mix well and keep cooking. Okay. So, and now what you could do, the mixture keeps thickening. You add in your vanilla essence. And your food color. Now don't add too much, just a drop would do because it gives too much of color. This is what happened to me. I think I put in a little extra. So add a teaspoon of butter and mix well. Now keep cooking on low heat, mixing all the time so that it doesn't catch at the bottom till the mixture starts leaving the sides and forms a mass. So once it does, then you pour it onto a greased plate or tray, spread it well, flatten it, and your coconut sweet is ready. Spread it well and flatten, let it cool for a little while. And then when it's slightly cooled, you start cutting it into squares so that it's easy for us to separate the squares when it's cooled. Now you could enjoy your Christmas coconut sweet. If you like this video, please like and share it, and as usual, subscribe. Thank you.